This is called my Galactic Marble effect. It has holographic dust in it, as well as diamond dust, which captures the light and gives a beautiful glimmer like a diamond as the light hits it. There is about 6 to 8 layers here. Several coats, 4 coats of clear, actually, with some additional coloring put in those layers to give a 3-dimensional depth look. This is more of a brown and chestnut than black, but there is black in it, quite a bit of black actually. I mixed black and chestnut along with some white to do some cells, as you can see, and then some blue, Baja blue and metallic blue, and a translucent blue mixed in. But I have some hammered metal, bronze in this, as well as a little bit of kind of a dark gold in bits of spots, little bits here and there, like in this area here. This is the tabletop, very large tabletop. It's a 5 by 5. This is the center wing here, and this is for my family. It's for my wife, and the table has drawers. It's a bar table, like a buffet from a restaurant, I think, at some point, or a high-end restaurant or something. I don't know. And it is really high off the ground, where you would use stools to sit on. So I'm going to cut the legs so that we can use this as a dining table in our home. I think it'll seat 8 people all together. I will probably do one more flood coat, sanding first, and then another flood coat. I'm trying to really give it some depth, as well as make a smoother top. When creating this effect, it creates a bunch of little divots that you can see here, little depressions, and of course that is like 5 layers down, so those depressions are no longer there, as you can see, but there's a little bit of a wobble to the top. So a sanding and another flood coat. See, like in this area right there, you can see it, the reflection. There's a little bit of where it's uneven, where it didn't the tension didn't break very well to let the resin flow over. So I can use a torch to try to help it a little bit. It's almost too late. It might actually be too late. The torch helps to make the resin, the clear level, more clear, more crisp. It also helps to make it flow as it heats up, and it releases bubbles with the heat and the actual torch. So like if I get a little, you see, well, can't really point it out. There's a little bits of spots where heating it up makes it just a little more clear. So this is a long, tedious process, and if you ever wonder why it's so expensive for a river table or a resin table, well, you know, I've got probably $300 wholesale in resin, plus the pigments, plus the labor of sanding, plus the gas and torching, plus the electric to heat the shops so that it's nice and warm, to help this to cure the sanding, the sandpaper, which actually is a lot, and this is taking up a 5x5 square in my tiny shop, on top of my beautiful saw stop, brand new saw stop, table saw, because I don't have anywhere else to do it. So I have a piece of melamine, which the resin doesn't stick very well to, but still too well. Anyway, I don't know if I said I'm going to cut the legs probably Wednesday, and hopefully this will be dry enough that I can actually move it into the house. Well, I probably shouldn't do that because I don't want anybody to use it for maybe a week. Can I get away with that? It's too close to Thanksgiving. I'm going to be in trouble. Anyway, this has taken me about 4 or 5 days to do this.